Hi ladies, so I'm trying out the new Lacomchir filling free foundation, and I'm using this mixing palette to apply it, and I'm gonna use a stippling brush to blend my foundation. And I put a lot, so I got too excited, and this shade is a little bit too light for me. It's the second shade from their collection. They only have 4 foundation shades, which sucks, I know, but this one is light. And then I went with the beauty blender to blend it more evenly, seamlessly, and to make it look less cakey. But as you can see, it doesn't match my skin. It matches my chest but not my neck, so it looks kind of pale and weird on me. But anyways, whatever. So now I'm gonna use the Dewy Cheek Tint in the shade Slow Down. Oh, no, I messed up. I'm using the soft Sculpting liquid bronzer in the shade Soft Sand. This is the lightest shade from their collection. They have multiple other shades, and I'm just blending it again with the stippling brush. And this was a little bit hard to blend because it dries quickly, as you can see, and it was better used if you use like a setting spray, but I didn't have one, so oh well, I had to use with what I have. So it's a pretty shade. I think it matched me nicely, and I'm gonna contour my nose with a smaller brush and blend it. And I don't know how to contour my nose. I haven't done it in a long time. I just feel like it doesn't look good on me. It makes my nose big, but yeah. And I'm gonna contour my booty chin. I don't know how to contour butt chins, but yeah, somebody walked in. I have to come back later. Okay, now here I'm using the Dewy Cheek Tint in the shade Slow Down, and as you can see, I didn't have a correct brush for it, and it's hard to blend, but it's all that. I have to leave by, oh yeah, you can see my flakes are from my dry ass skin. It didn't perform well. Look at it, cling to my dry patches. But overall, it's, I guess, pretty nice. Maybe not for dry skin. Maybe I'll try it next time with a better base underneath. But yeah, that's the final look. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you, Lacomchir.